Good morning. So this is day 6. Today it's been a rainy day. Actually woke up earlier with the intention to go for a walk because I really felt like on Saturday, which was day 4, my walking really helped me, move more. But it's been raining all through the night and it's just about stopped, and this is about 7:40, so I can't go for a walk again. I'll just go ahead and do a 20-30 minutes high intensity cardio. I feel still feel sore from all of the workout. My body feels sore. So I'm just going to be doing a lot more stretching after workout because I don't do that. And I don't know if it's me, but I just feel like my tummy is a bit small. Maybe I'm getting too excited. Anywho, I'm going to weigh after day 7. Tomorrow is day 7, but I'll weigh on day 8 morning to be sure that I'm getting there. I don't know how much I've lost. I'm just going to do the rice Zempic drink right away, and I'll let it steep while I work out. And no, I should take it before my workout. So let me just go do that right away. So for this rice Zempic drink, you'll be needing 1 cup of water. I'm using Dr. Mandrell's recipe. So while that is on the fire, I'm going to take 2 spoons of white rice. 2 tablespoons. You can use proper measurement spoon. I just used cooking spoon and I was okay with that. So once I measured that, just to remove maybe like residue, chemical residue or whatever, I decided to wash the rice just once, just to remove whatever dirt or whatever it is, before putting it in the cup. And then I added some Cameroon pepper. Now the recipe called for cayenne pepper. I don't have cayenne pepper. This is actually hotter than cayenne pepper, and I added so much. And then I threw in a green tea bag, but usually I'll empty my own. He said just put your tea bag, but I'll empty it because this paper would have chemicals, who knows. So this is what I got. So just do what works for you. And once I empty the pepper and the tea bag inside the rice, I pour in the boiled hot water. Make sure your water is boiled. And once it's boiled, I'll let this steep till it's warm enough for me to drink. So I'll get a spoon. Once I finish pouring the water, I'll stir it. Make sure you stir it very well to ensure so that the rice will combine. If not, the rice will just be at the bottom. So I just use the spoon to stir. Once I stir to my satisfaction, I'm just going to go ahead and set that aside, and then get my lemon, half a lemon, squeeze that out into another cup. This lemon was in the fridge, so maybe that's why it's looking back. It's looking like that, but it's still very fresh. So I squeeze out all of the juice. This particular lemon was very juicy, even though it was a small lemon. Once I was done squeezing that out into another cup, not into your mixture that is steeping, into another cup. This is what I had after I've done squeezing the lemon. Not much, but it was good enough. Now the rice mixture was already warm, and it's something that I can drink. This was like after like 7 minutes or so. I in the cup that has lemon, I put a small sieve over it, and then I went ahead to pour this mixture. Right? So you pour out everything. Usually I just get like 1 mug. This is the mug I usually use for green tea. Use the spoon to just press out whatever it is, any excess that's left. You mustn't do this part. I'm just doing it. Then I just add a drop of honey, as you can see, and then stir properly, and you go ahead and drink it. So I'm just about to start my workout. I'll be having my rice Zempic. I'm just gonna finish this entire cup before going to work out. I'm about to start my workout. Let's get right into it, and when I'm done, I'll come back here to report. So I just finished my workout.
Okay.
Pretty much. See the way I'm sweating.
Yeah, you're sweating. Yeah, I'm not actually sweating. Yeah.
I think I should add another workout. This was the workout I used, by the way. I'm gonna put it right here. 20 minutes step to the beat. At the beginning it was looking very easy, and then it became a little bit challenging. But I'm not sweating as much as I would. So at this point I'm thinking I'm going to look for another workout that is really, really high intensity. Even if it's for 10 minutes, and just add to this one. We're now about to lighten our load. We're getting stronger by the day, so we have to up the game. So I think I'm just going to search for one I just finished a 10-minute standing up workout by routine. And this 10-minute workout, I think moved my ass, hooked my butt. Language. This one drove me more than 20-minute workout I did earlier. I think I miss working out lately because her workout used to leave me breathless back in the days. I think I'll be trying some of her routines too. Alright, I think I'm done for today. I've been having sore, all my body is sore. So I think I'm going to spend about 5 minutes to stretch. And there's something I want to introduce today, which is just showing you my full body every day. So that by the time I'm done losing weight, nobody's going to say, scam. Surgery. So every day I'm going to give you not a face card, like body card. So let's start right about now. Alright, so this is my body card. This is what I look like on day 6. I tried to tie my t-shirt so that you see everything because we're working on this body. We're working on getting it snatched. So this is what my arm looks like. You can still see it's still big. It's just day 6. We have a long way to go. So I'm giving you front, side, another side. This is what the second arm look like. Because at the end of the day, this video is going to come in handy in the future. So, yeah, let me do a little dance for you. I'm happy I'm done with my workout. See our tummy is not visibly reducing. Honestly, I just feel like it's really reducing. I have some folds on my back. Unfortunately, I can't show you those. This body is a temple of the Lord. We're not exposing much. Anyway, so this is what I had. Basically, what I had for the day is pepper soup, actually. I just added a little cabbage to it. It's called meat pepper soup. I could not even eat it. So just tasting one kind. But yeah, that was all. And then at night, I just decided that I'm going to do like a nighttime workout routine. Who knows? I just wanted to try something like 10 minutes or so. And then my kids started to join me, and then we played with it. So just something to help the body wind down for the night. And after I did this, I did a 5-minute stretch, like more like a 5-minute yoga stretch. And boy, I slept off at the spot. My kids had to actually wake me up. Hi, good evening. So this is the end of day 6. Day 6 was very eventful for me. I had so much to do today. I had so much to do. I'm about to say something I'm not supposed to say online, but I had so much to do. So I did a lot of heavy lifting today, not in workout, but I intentionally lifted all of those boxes and all of those because I know that as I'm doing it, I'm burning calories. Today I was feeling like I wanted to eat something different. I was feeling like I was craving. So I mean, you already seen what I had for as my one meal for the day, but I wasn't feeling it that much. I just feel like I needed to eat something different. So I drove out to drop off someone, and then I saw someone roasted corn, very small one, and I ate it. Yeah, I ate it, and I was okay. That was all I had. And this evening, I just looked for a bedtime workout routine. I'm going to put the video here right now. I did that bedtime workout routine. My kids joined me, and when I was done, I did a 5-minute relaxation yoga for better sleep, guys. I literally slept off on the spot. My kids had to wake me up. I think I'm going to be doing that particular one at night every night. In fact, I'm going to still do it again because after that, I did it at the wrong time. I was supposed to do it just when I want to go to bed, right? After that, I had to go do the dishes for the night and all that. So, I believe that day 6 was a success. Yeah, it was a success. Some days we win tremendously, some days we just wing it. Today was the day that I winged it, and today I did a lot of body movement. If I was probably with my phone each time I moved, maybe my steps would have gotten to 15,000. Yeah, that was how busy my day was. But thank God I'm done. And tomorrow is day 7, and on day 8 morning I'm going to weigh myself for the first time and see what's up. I hope I'm not discouraged. Let's see how far we go. So that's it, day 6. If you already if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Encourage this journey. I'd like to go on this journey with you, and I encourage you. You know, you need some motivation to lose weight. Come on, join me. Let's do this together, okay? All right. Have a good night. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on day 7. Bye.